Imagine a moment when every winter, the cold and gray dominate, where every breath of air seems to steal the warmth from your body, leaving you shivering and desperately seeking a bit of comfort. It is in this world that the Duux Threesixty proves to be your unsung hero, a reliable companion in the fight against the cold. This ceramic auxiliary heater does not just promise warmth, it envelops you in a cocoon of well-being, transforming your space into a haven of peace and comfort. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This ceramic heater is perfect for those looking for a quick, efficient, and silent heating solution for their home. Ideal for small rooms or as a complement in larger spaces, its connected technology makes it particularly suitable for gadget enthusiasts and those who appreciate remote control via smartphone or voice assistants. Tell me, have you ever dreamed of a heater that combines efficiency, speed, and discretion? The Duux Threesixty is the answer to your expectations. With an impressive power of 1800 watts, this economical electric heater does not just heat, it revolutionizes the way you experience winter. Imagine a room that goes from icy to pleasantly warm in the blink of an eye. In boost mode, the Threesixty does exactly that, heating an area of 30 degrees twice as fast as a standard electric heater. Its PTC heating element ensures rapid and efficient heating, providing you and your loved ones with a safe refuge from the cold. What truly sets this heater apart is its ability to evenly distribute heat in all directions. Thanks to its innovative 360-degree technology, every corner of the room enjoys uniform heat, eliminating any unpleasant cold spots. You can choose from 3 heat settings and 2 ventilation modes, Eco and Boost, to customize your heating experience. Whether you need a gentle breeze or a torrent of heat, this heater adapts to your needs. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But that's not all. The Duux Threesixty is designed to seamlessly integrate into any interior with its modern design and elegant gray finish. It not only warms your space, but does so with style. And with a noise level of only 46 decibels at its maximum power, it ensures your comfort without ever becoming a nuisance. One of the most impressive aspects of this heater is its connectivity. By using the Duux app, you can control your heater from anywhere you have internet access, adjust the thermostat, schedule timings, or change the fan speed with just a few taps. And for those who enjoy the convenience of voice technology, the Threesixty is compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Just say what you want and it obeys, making your heating experience as effortless as possible. Safety is a priority for this heater, equipped with protection mechanisms against low temperatures and overheating. You can therefore relax and enjoy the warmth without worrying about the risks. With all these features, the Duux Threesixty is not just a heater, it is a revolution in home comfort. It offers quick, uniform, and controllable heat while being economical and stylish. In addition, Duux is committed to exceeding your expectations with a 100% money-back guarantee, highlighting their confidence in the quality and performance of their products. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility of adjustment. With its 3 heating speeds and 2 ventilation modes, it offers remarkable adaptability to different temperature needs. Advantage number 2, connected technology. Compatibility with the Duux app, Alexa, and Google Home allows for easy and remote control. Advantage number 3, 360-degree heat distribution. Ensures uniform heat distribution throughout the room, avoiding cold spots. Advantage number 4, elegant design. Its modern aesthetic design and gray color blend harmoniously with any type of interior decor. Advantage number 5, enhanced safety. Equipped with tip-over and overheat protection for worry-free use. Advantage number 6, it is silent. With a noise level of 46 decibels, it remains discreet even at full power. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, requires an internet connection for certain features. The optimal use of these connected features depends on access to the internet. So, if you are ready to transform your winter from freezing to wonderfully warm, the link in the description is your gateway to a world of comfort. Click to order the Duux Threesixty at the best price, discover hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and learn more about this truly exceptional heating companion. Don't let the cold take over your life. Choose the Duux Threesixty and warm up your world today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.